There it sits, lurking in the shadows, a predator waiting to be unleashed. In the darkness of a garage, its silhouette promises violence, a raw, untamed power barely contained. You can feel the energy radiating from it, a silent threat hanging in the air. This isn't just any car, it's the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, a breed apart. It's the culmination of decades of Mustang heritage, refined and honed into a weapon. Its deep, menacing paint absorbs the light, like a black hole swallowing everything around it. It hints at the darkness within, the raw power waiting to be unleashed. The lines are sharper and more aggressive than any Mustang before, sculpted for both performance and intimidation. Every curve, every angle is designed to cut through the air and leave a lasting impression. You press the glowing red start button, a single point of light in the darkness. It's an invitation, a challenge to awaken the beast. For a split-second silence, then the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 erupts, shattering the stillness with a primal roar. A guttural bark echoes, alive and raw, a symphony of mechanical fury. It's the sound of pure, unadulterated power. The engine settles into a lumpy, impatient idle, a restless energy simmering beneath the surface. It's eager to run, to be pushed to its limits. 500 horsepower straining at the leash, begging to be unleashed on the asphalt. It's a force to be reckoned with. Slot the gear knob into first. The clutch is heavy, mechanical, demanding respect. This car requires your full attention. A push on the accelerator, a slight movement of your foot, and the rear tires break traction, instantly transforming potential energy into a cloud of smoke. Filling the garage with smoke and the smell of burnt rubber, a primal scent that awakens the senses. The car squirms, fighting for grip, the engine screaming a mechanical battle cry. This isn't just transportation, it's an event, a visceral experience that connects you to the road. The Dark Horse is a muscle car, through and through a modern interpretation of a classic formula. It's not subtle, it's honest, a raw expression of power and performance. Its soul forged in Detroit steel and high-octane fuel, a testament to American ingenuity and a passion for speed. Despite all the modern tech, it's a loud, smoky promise that some things haven't changed, a reminder of the golden age of muscle cars. The beast is awake, and it's angry, ready to tear up the streets and leave its mark on the world. Welcome to the new era of Mustang, where tradition meets innovation and power knows no bounds. Out of the garage, the Dark Horse comes alive. On a winding road, it's a masterful blend of heritage and aggression. The classic Mustang fastback silhouette is sharpened for performance, with a massive grille and sinister LED headlights. Every detail, splitter, side skirts, rear wing, serves a purpose. In blue ember metallic, it looks like a low-flying fighter jet. The V8 bellows, acceleration relentless, pushing you deep into the seat. This isn't silent electric speed, it's a living, breathing explosion of power. Thanks to MagneRide adaptive suspension, it's planted and agile, turning in sharply and staying flat through bends. The Dark Horse finally teaches the muscle car to dance. It's a hero's car, if you dare. Slide into the driver's seat and you're in a cockpit built for the future. A massive curved glass panel houses a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen. Bold, modern, unmistakably Mustang. Deep Recaro buckets hold you tight, while your hand finds the blue titanium gear knob. The digital cluster is customizable, even offering a retro Fox body layout. The central screen, powered by Unreal Engine, controls everything from navigation to exhaust note. Despite the tech, the essentials remain. Perfect driving position, commanding visibility, and a focus on the drive. It's a space where modern convenience meets old-school engagement, the perfect command center for unleashing the beast. At its core, beating with raw power, is the 4th-gen 5.0-liter Coyote V8. It's an engine that has been honed and refined over years, a testament to Ford's commitment to naturally aspirated performance. This powerhouse churns out a staggering 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. These aren't just numbers, they represent exhilarating acceleration and relentless pulling power. Inside, you'll find forged rods built to withstand the immense forces generated within the engine. Feeding the beast are dual throttle bodies, ensuring optimal airflow for maximum performance. And a manual Tremec 6-speed transmission helps make it the most powerful, naturally aspirated V8 Mustang ever produced. It's a symphony of engineering working in perfect harmony. The manual is for purists, those who crave the direct connection with the machine, with short throws and a positive clutch. A 10-speed auto is optional, offering convenience and efficiency, but the soul, the true essence of this car, is undeniably in the stick. 0 to 60 arrives in a blistering 4 seconds. But the real drama isn't just in the numbers, it's in the glorious noise and the constant fight for grip as you unleash the V8's fury. The chassis is completely overhauled, featuring MagneRide dampers that adapt to the road conditions in milliseconds, and a torsion diff helps put the power down effectively. Massive Brembos provide incredible stopping power. It's as capable and confident in corners as it is on the drag strip, making it a true all-around performance machine. This rare combination of a naturally aspirated V8 manual transmission and modern chassis technology is sadly a dying breed in today's automotive landscape. The Dark Horse is a celebration of internal combustion, perfected and refined for the 2025 model year. It's pure, unadulterated driving pleasure, distilled into its most potent form. To truly understand the spirit of the Dark Horse, we need to take a journey back in time, all the way to 1965. The original Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of freedom, youthful exuberance, and raw, unbridled power. The Dark Horse proudly carries that iconic DNA, paying homage to its ancestor, but with a thoroughly modern execution in every aspect. We're talking fully independent suspension for superior handling, massive Brembo brakes for confident stopping power, and advanced fuel injection for optimal performance and efficiency. It's undeniably faster, demonstrably safer, and significantly more capable than its forebears, but the core spirit of the Mustang remains gloriously the same. Muscle cars, in general, evoke a powerful sense of nostalgia, reminding us of a bygone era. They remind us of roaring V8s, the soundtrack of a generation, and of course that exhilarating straight-line speed that pins you to your seat, a symbol of rebellion, a statement against the mundane. The Dark Horse not only embodies this rebellious spirit, but elevates it with world-class performance and track capability. As many rivals bow out of the muscle car arena and the relentless march of electrification looms large, one can't help but wonder, is this truly the last of its kind? The Mustang, in its current form, stands alone as a beacon, a naturally aspirated V8 engine, a tactile manual transmission, and accessible, affordable performance for the masses. It's a defiant and glorious roar against the encroaching darkness, against the dying of the light. A fitting and powerful tribute to a century of innovation and passion in internal combustion engine technology. So enjoy it, savor it, and appreciate it while you still can. Because we may very well never see its like grace our roads again.